Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Landover Hills local and long-distance movers near. Long-distance moving requires driving for long hours to transport your belongings to the new place. Instead, you can think of a DIY moving, but will end up taking days and weeks to move your stuff completely. In addition, DIY moving puts you at the risk of getting injured and damaging your furniture or other belongings. Therefore, to save extra time, effort, and money wastage, you should hire professional moving services for handling your long-distance moving. With 3 movers, you get damage protection and do not have to keep waiting for the package. It will reach you as per the commitment and schedule. Ditch stuffing your weekend with the extra work of packing, loading, and unloading. You'd rather use the time for completing more important things like finding a good apartment, completing the documentation, and bidding goodbye to your friends in Landover Hills. Apart from making a smooth moving experience, you will also get damage protection, so any damages on our end will be covered under the insurance. Therefore, you will save time and money. Also, local moving can be completed on the same day and sometimes even in an hour, if the situations allow. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Landover Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.